Next menu is length axis. By default, the switch of the axis is turned off. If you want to draw the length axis, you can turn on this switch. By default, the position of the axis is a bottom, and you can change it to top. The next parameter is offset under a vertical. And to negative. If you feel a negative values, the next block is to adjust the text style of the ticket values. If you don't want to display the text values, you can turn off this switch. And the first parameter is rotate. If you want to rotate the text to 90 degrees, by default it is 0. And the next one is font size. You can move your mouse on this parameter name and drag your mouse to change the font size. Next one is fill color, font weight, text anchor, and font style. This one is the vertical offset of the text value. And next block is to adjust the tick line style, stroke color, stroke width, stroke opacity. The next one is scale by a factor, like you can feel 100, means each ticket value will multiply this attribute value. The next one is to determine how many tick values you want to keep, like you can fill 0, comma, and the string form is the ticket value you want separated by comma. Next one is tick format. You can click this question mark for detailed information. There are several examples here. If you want to keep two decimals, you can just fill 0.2f. The next one is reserved values. By default, the axis is from the mean value to a max value, from the left to right. If you want to reserve values, you can turn on this switch. It will reverse the direction of these text values. The next one is remove path. It will remove the the axis, the main line of the axis. Next one is remove tick. It will remove all the tick lines. The next block is grid. If you want to show each grid of each ticket, you can turn on this switch. And it's stroke color, stroke width, stroke opacity, stroke dash array. Like you can feel 4, 5, 8. The last one is the level of the axis. Like you can feel MYA means millions years ago. And this one is its vertical offset, font size, fill color, font weight, and font style.